welcome to Joe Duffy BMW here at Charlestown. My name is Chloe and today we have a beautiful BMW 330e M Sport Pro Saloon, finished in metallic alpine white. This is a 2024 2-liter petrol plug-in hybrid with a fully automatic transmission. I'll be going through some exterior and interior features. So if you come along here, we have our 19-inch upgraded diamond cut alloy wheels. This is run flat tires. We do also have our blue brake calipers matching our M Sport badge. Coming out to the front, we of course have our iconic BMW kidney grills, adaptive LED headlights. This is a shadow line. Coming out to the side, we have our gloss black trims. We have our spoiler and automatic opening and closing boot functionality. Here we have plenty of space since it is a saloon. Here and underneath for charging cables and whatnot. Press this here and it automatically shuts. Now following to the rear passenger door, we have rear privacy windows. Taking a look in the interior, we have a combination of leather and suede and a piano black finish with some M Sport stitching here on the seats and on the seat belts. We have our ISOFIX child seating support systems as standard. Taking a seat here, we have plenty of legroom space. This is a 4-zone climate control. We have the ones in the back here, USB-C ports, and we have extra compartment space behind the seats and on the sides of the doors. We also have ambient lighting, as you can see. Now in the driver's seat, it is push start to turn on the engine. Here we have our instrument cluster with our speedometer and our fuel progress. To the left, we have our infotainment menu. This is home. We have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Here is our phone and navigation settings. Here, if we put it into reverse, as you can see, we have a rear view camera. We have our ultrasonic sound sensors as well with a visual aid. From here, we can access the climate menu, where you can control the dual control zones in the front. This comes with heated seats. Now moving down, we have aluminium chrome accents. Here we have more buttons for the media and for demisting. We have wireless charging here. Another charging port, cup holders. Here is our gears and transmission. From here you can also easily navigate the menu using the dial and buttons. We have compartment space down the middle. Now moving on to our steering wheel. This is a leather steering wheel with cruise controls on the left and media controls on the right. This does also come with a heated steering wheel. We have our automatic transmission pedal shifters for the M Sport package. Following on from that, if we go to this side of the door, we have automatic opening closing windows and electronic closing mirrors. Above we have our SOS emergency call button. This 3 Series does come with comfort access as well, which is very handy. Now, this beautiful 3 Series is available for purchase on Joe Duffy BMW and across our various car selling websites. All Joe Duffy BMW approved used cars come with a 2-year warranty. If you would like to book an appointment, test drive, have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact us here at Joe Duffy BMW. My name is Chloe and that will be all. Thank you. Bye.